Hey, Coach. Here we are. Welcome back. Another edition. I'm cooking again. It's your guy, Ken. Here we are. It's spring again. So you know what we're going to do. First of the season. The first brisket of the season. It's my anniversary. People coming over tomorrow. I have to make it right. We're doing a brisket. We have a wild fork choice. You said for family? Yeah. In-laws. For the family? Yeah. And I'm going to do a very limited trim on this one today, cooks. Maybe a little bit of this fat right here, and that's it. Okay, not over trim it. No, I was going to do a no trim, but this fat is so predominant. I'm gonna get a little bit of it off, and that's it, cooks. We have SPG and a little Montana steak. It's gonna be delicious. That's gonna make a bar. Okay, cooks. I'm gonna start now. It's 6:45. Get it on there about 7 p.m. Wake up tomorrow 7 a.m. 12 hours, overnight cook. Should be ready by that time. I'm gonna do 225. Okay, not 205. Maybe not 225. We'll be ready to wrap by the time I get up in the morning. Wrap it up. Maybe a couple, 2-3 hours, and then we're gonna rest it because it's gonna be tired. It's a long night, man. Okay, cooks, we're gonna put this together. Another cook. Stay with your guy. I'm cooking again. All right, cooks, here we are. Got them unwrapped. Wild fork, okay? They come to your door. Now I'm gonna get the minimal trim. Some stuff is just sticking out. That's gonna just burn. So I'm gonna get that off there. Put it in the bag. Put it in the bag. Okay, some just the edges, you know, little stuff like this. I can't do that. Some people say no trim. This thing right here, we're gonna get this off. Some things are just blatant disrespect, okay? It's coming off. This ain't gonna do nothing, okay? This is not gonna do anything. Let that go. I used to trim brisket. I trim brisket, man. Almost after I finished, I think I just had a isket. The B and the R were gone. So much gone. This is very fatty here, but it lends the flavor. I'm gonna get it out of here. I'm starting to go. Let me stop. I'm over trimming. I'm a super trimmer, y'all. Now, if you're a brisket cooker and an over trimmer, it's hard though, cooks. I know it's hard. Sometimes you gotta give up. This knife needs to be sharp. Come on. This thing hanging out here. All right, it's gotta go. I know it's gotta go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. Got that right there. Okay, a little fat right here. Let's get that round corner. We're gonna round it off a little bit. That's just by habit. Okay, we're gonna round that thing off. You say make hamburgers. I don't have that much. I need to learn how to make hamburgers. That's a lot of meat right there. Pause. Okay. All right. Now I can't have this oxidized. I just can't do it. It doesn't look right to me. I can't do it. So I'm gonna everything oxidized got to go. So like I said, minimal trim. This whole thing, but this I gotta cut it down, cause I'm gonna cut it down. Say what you want. You can get mad at me. So you said minimal trim. This is minimal. This is just straight fat. I'm gonna take this down a little bit. Take it down a little bit, just a little bit. Come on, cooks. It's all fat now. You wanna bite into that? No. So let's get it out of there. Even for the in-laws. Nobody deserves this bite. Well, Uncle Ricky, maybe Uncle Ricky. Uncle Ricky might, and Uncle Ricky owe me $200. Other than that, nobody deserves this bite. I know I'm cutting talking myself. I know, cooks, I know. Shout out to OSHA and all that. I used to work in warehouses for years and machines. So but it's smooth. We're gonna leave it smooth. Hey, cooks. Now usually I'll take this whole thing out of there. But today, nope. We're going to oxidize out of there. I just don't like oxidized looking meat. Take it down. What you doing? All right, cooks, we're gonna take this oxidized out of there. Raise it up, easy. We're gonna take it down, maybe a 1/4 inch, about an 1/8 inch actually. 1/8 inch. So what? Pick it up. We're gonna pick it up, cooks. We're gonna pick it up, cooks. Get this oxidized out of here. I just want to start with oxidized meat. Okay, cooks? Okay. I don't make you block my own shot. Let me get it like this. It's actually easy. This is all oxidized. Okay, cooks? Now you can leave it on. Some people don't care. I just don't want to. Come on, man. It's already oxidized. So we're going to get it out of there. Okay, cooks? Okay, coach. My machinists and machine workers. Get the oxidize out of there. Okay, let's start right there. Get it out of there. Okay, coach. Like I said, minimal trim. I'm not going for silver skin. That's going to stay. This is so fat. Oh, somebody said attack. Attack. My brain said attack. I'm attacking. Get this oxidase out of there. Get this oxidized skin out of there. Okay, cooks. I said you don't taste it. You might not. I'm not sure if you can taste that, cooks. I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't want to find out. So we're just gonna do that. Okay, cooks. Get this out of there. Oh, gave up on me. I'm gonna get it out of there. Just get the oxidize off. Okay, bam. That's a little thick right there, but I'm not doing nothing. But this has got to go. Okay, cooks. This is fat. This is just fat. So I'm gonna get it out. I thought you said you wasn't. Don't listen to me. I'm talking to myself. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's better. Okay. Oh, that's way better. Oh, look at this. I think I did something good. A little bit, you know, look, this is just, look at this. Straight fat, nothing. Now, if you want tallow, shout out to the tallow crew. That's good tallow right there. That's correct. I'm gonna do the same thing again. Back here. I'm gonna take it down, flip it around, get that whole thing. Because when we slice it, I know it's the point, you know. I mean, I used to trim a brisket so good, I would separate the point and flat everything. Today, no, we're not doing that. Okay, look at this. Look at this, y'all. That is a lot of good fat. Get them out of there. And like I say, more aerodynamic. And as the man say down at the bank, you know what he said at the bank? About your account? How much money I got in my account? And it's gone. That's gone. Gone, gone, gone. Gone, baby, gone. I might stop right there. I might just stop right there. A little fat right there too. Yeah, get that out of there. That's useless. All right. Oh, I'm good. I'll stay. Remember the old show? Stay or go. Blackjack. Let's go. Get a binder on this thing. What's the binder? Mustard binder, cooks. Boom. That's a little thin on that side. That's a little thin right there. I'm not worried about too much. A little thin. We can get the side though. All right, cooks. We're gonna get the side on. This is fat. Oh, but it's gonna be good though. It might render. Ooh, it might. It better. Oh, we sure hope it does now. Yes, we do. Okay, that's my grip hand. That's my binder hand. SPD. Salt, pepper, garlic, cooks. Salt, pepper, garlic. Already blended for you. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, nice. Nice. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Oh, that's a different song. That's a different time. That's the 70s. Did I just age myself? I probably did. I don't know. You might, if you're watching this, you know what it is. Stop it. You stop it. Okay, cause this is where your bar comes from. Where's the bar coming? Right here. This is where the dividend comes in. Good cook. SPG. Oh yes, on the side there. Yes sir. Yes sir. I said, what about the bottom? I'm gonna do the bottom. Nobody wanna see the bottom, man. I have you watch me season the bottom. You know what to do after that. Montreal. Or I do apologize. Montreal. Sorry to the Montana people. Sorry to the Montreal people. Shout out to my Canadian friends. I get a lot of people watching Canadian. Canadian. So that's not. This is a place. Canadian is a place. Right above Michigan. Canadian. The weather is awesome. Canadian. Awesome. It's cold, but it's nice sometimes. I heard it's nice on Thursdays. Anybody heard that? It's nice day on Thursday. Okay, Coach, there you have it. Wait a minute, Greg. Wait a minute, Greg. Get a little more. Right there on that. That's going to be good. That first slice is going to be delicious. Okay, there we go. Okay, Coach. There you have it. You ready for your brisket? We're going to let this rest because it's tight. Let that season sink in from it. If you can do an hour or so, put it in the refrigerator. Let that sink in. Okay, Cooks? I'm going to get out here and pellet smoker. I'm going to fire it up. 225. It's almost 7 p.m. Put it on to 7 a.m. That means morning. I think. Yeah, easy work. We'll get it out there, man. Have some fun. Stay with your guy, man. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. We making food that you can make. You can do it just like me, man. I'm not, you can see I ain't special. Nobody's special. Hit that notification bell. What is it? Yeah, whatever that means. Stay with your guy, man. I'm cooking again. Hey, Cooks, welcome back. Here we are. We're outside. We got the Walmart Expert Grill pellet cooker. Never mind the temperature. I had it run a little hot before. It'll come back down. Okay, Cooks? We're going to get it in there. Brisket. We're going to do point side to the heat side. Yeah, that's like the east. But don't worry about it. That's east side. Don't worry about it. It's not that song. Okay, let's get it in there. Oh, yeah, look at that. Now, this side, the flat, we're going to go this side. See, the heat's coming from here. We're going to close it down. Boom. Okay, Cooks? This is it. That's all you have to do when you have this pellet smoker. Now, if you have the stick burner, you got to keep throwing sticks in there, or the wood, and you make a fire, a TV. No. Pellet smoker. We're going to let it go, man. We're going to let it roll overnight. I'll see y'all at 7 o'clock in the morning. I hope. All right, Cooks? Stay with your guy, man. I'm cooking. Hey, Cooks. Welcome back. Here we are. The next morning, we're out here. 178, 180. Overnight, Cooks. Here we are in the morning. Oh, look at Honey Hush. What is it, Honey Hush? Look at it. Look at it. Oh, that is beautiful. Beautiful. No spits, no. Bark is phenomenal. Hashtag phenomenal. Okay, Cooks? Get it off here. We're going to wrap this thing up. 20 degrees. Okay, about 20 degrees. We probably got another hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. And we're gonna put it to bed. We're gonna let it rest for about 2 hours. Okay, Cooks? Stay with your man. We back. I'm cooking again. Hey, Cooks, here we are. Time to wrap. Check 1, 2, you don't. No, not that wrap. No, we're gonna wrap this brisket. Come on. Get this thing out of here, man. Got these salt and pepper shakers just to hold it down for a minute, man. The paper keep rolling up. Oh, wait a minute, Cooks. Wait a minute. She's pretty tender now. She's pretty tender. Bottom part up. He said, what's this salt and pepper shake? This is to hold that paper for me. It'll roll up on you. Let's get it on the corner. Okay. All right, we're blocking up. Oh, look at the fat cap just coming off there. Oh, that's tender. That's tender. We was at almost 180 because a little late wrap. We're gonna get there. I mean, it's tender. All right. Kind of like that. It's out of here. Let's roll up. Let's roll up. Got this right here. Keep it from rolling. Roll on. So one time. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Keep it tight, Coach. Keep it tight. There we go. There we go. All right. All right. Let's reset. Let's reset. Go down in there. Tight, Coach. Tight. You know what I'm talking about. Tight. Tight in there. Hey, cooks. Tight in there too. Two sides on there. Hey, cooks. Two sides on there. Pretty tight. Hey, cooks. We're gonna do 2 rolls. We're back in the game. We're back in the game, cooks. We are back in the game. Bam. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Put some sides in there. Put this side in there. With it tight, with the light. Push. Tight. Put it tight with the light. You got it right? Get your scissors, man. I'm still here. Don't run. Nobody else be doing it. Nobody doing it for me. That fancy stuff. Get out of here. Get out of here. Damn, nobody showed you that. Start the YouTube. Look at that right there. Look at that right there. Boom, tight. Tight with the light, coach. Cut that off there. We ready to go. Going back out. Maybe an hour. Maybe 2 hours. It's already 180. Late wrap. I'm going to wrap it anyway. Get it together. We're going to get out there. Reaching 200. So it's pretty tough. It's a little tough. The point ready to go. The point's darn near ready. A little tougher than I want. I'm going to give it an hour. Stay with you guys. Subscribe to the channel. What are we doing for y'all? I'm showing you how to use scissors. Like this video. Hit that notification bell. Whatever that means. But stay with your guy. I'm cooking again. Hey, cooks. Here we are. We getting there. Here we are. 205. It is so tender. The pro. Oh, man. The thermometer is kicking in there. We're going to let this thing come down about 170. Not straight into the cooler for the rest. Let it come down a little bit. Then we'll get it in the cooler. And we're done, cooks. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. What do you say? Hit that notification bell. Whatever that means. But stay with your guy. I'm cooking again. Hey, cooks. Here we are at the end. It's really the end. Okay, cooks. I cooked the brisket for a party yesterday, man. And you see what's left. So I don't have to tell you. I don't have to hold a knife with a knife. I don't have to do a bend test. I don't have to pull it apart. I don't squeeze it with the juice. You see the result. Don't worry about that. You see the result. Gone. Okay, cooks? One little piece of the point left. That's it, cooks. Brisket was phenomenal. Stay with your guy, man. I'm cooking again.